Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be reacting to I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I'm sorry if it's not pronounced like that, but I think it's Signature. I have never heard anything from Signature. I don't know who is in Signature. I don't know the songs. I don't know anything. So this will be my first reaction to Signature. So without further ado, please like, subscribe, comment, and now let's get right into this video now. Oh, I almost forgot. Signature. The song we're reacting to is Smooth Sailing, and this was requested by someone. So, Signature, Smooth Sailing. Let's go.
네가 너무 좋았어 죽겠어 날 보는 네 눈빛 맘이 너무 간지러 미쳤어 이건 운명이라고 은은한 향기처럼 남아 무슨 일이야 뭔 짓을 한 거야 밤새 네 얼굴이 빙빙빙 야야 했었어 너무 좋아 모치 같은 표정 가끔
First of all, their voices are so sweet. Their voices are cute and sweet. I like that. We need that once in a while in our lives. We need that sweet flavor. Yeah, I love it. And the girls are looking gorgeous as always. I mean, there's no K-pop artist that isn't gorgeous. Male, female, all gorgeous.
때 진짜 너무나 귀여워 네가 보여줘 기꺼이 흘기
This song reminds me of as it began in the beginning, riding your bicycle down the road while listening to the music. Yeah, good.
먼저 아는 척하기엔 부끄러워 조금 가까이 놓을 때까지 Go inside 뛰는 얼빛 혹시 들킬까봐 피해 Oh, you're singing la 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 맘이 말랑해 Give me sing me oh give me more baby it's so simple game 난 내 옆에 또난 네 옆에 그렇단 말들도 난 필요해 So give your heart 내게로 Yeah it's smooth sailing 스며들기 나는 뭔가 달라 Good feeling 달든 말든 give me more It's smooth sailing 스며더 깊이 네 생각에 온 세상을 다 가진 기분 Smooth sailing 내길 들어봐 불꽃 같은 내 믿어 커졌어 숨겨둔 truth is 온종일 너 때문에 나 진짜 심각해 Oh 내가 이럴 줄이야 너를 스치간 모든 걸 right for 내 거야 꼭 내 거야 When I think of you 네가 좋다고 말해버리고 네가 묻기 전 뒤돌아버렸어 네가 보여줘
Song does reminds you of like true love, the first love, falling in love in high school.
괜히 흘기 먼저 아는 척하기엔 부끄러워 조금 더 가까이 놓을 때까지 Yeah 보시기 원하는 미소에 뛰는 heartbeat 혹시 느낄까봐 피해 Boy I'm singing la 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 맘이 말랑해 Keep me singing oh give me more baby it's a simple game 난 내 옆에 또난 네 옆에 그 어떤 말도 더 난 필요해 So give your heart 내게로 느껴진 너의 비밀 사진 모든 걸 in the cloud, in the sky, in my heart. Boy, I'm feeling Keep me singing, oh, give me more, baby, it's so simple, yeah. 철새보다 훨씬 투명해. 네 맘은 오직 너를 향해 다 보여줘. 네가 말, yeah. It's smooth sailing. 숨이 떨어질 뿐이 몰라.
And the choreography leg.
달듯 give me more. It's smooth sailing. 숨이 떨어질 너에게 온 세상이 다가진 기분. Smooth sailing.
6.
Right now I'm in my
And that is my reaction to Signature smooth sailing. What I think about it though, it's not normally my type of songs, like smooth, not smooth, but like cute, soft. But sometimes you do need that song in your life, yeah. So I think this is one of the songs that you just need, smooth sailing. You can even be walking down the road, just listening to smooth sailing. It's quite good. So there you have it, my reaction to Signature. I think I might react to them again, depending. But I can see maybe they have another, genre of song. So anyways, thank you for watching my reaction. Please like, subscribe, comment, and turn on post notifications to know when the next video is here. Okay, comment, please like, it helps the video. Thank you. See you guys in the next reaction. Bye.